A year ago, I was only visiting e-commerce websites for shopping or something. But now, I have built my own websites. I have been ranked in Google BigCode in top 15,000 and I have received a hike in scholarship at Mirai School of Technology. And all this didn't happen because I was the smartest person in the room. This happened because I chose to show up every day. Hello everyone, I'm Siya Bhardwaj, a first year student at Mirai School of Technology, and this is what my first year looked like. So projects that we have built so far. So when we started learning HTML and CSS, we made a lot of clone websites of famous websites like Netflix and Zomato, etc. Then came into picture JavaScript, and then we were able to add functionality to our websites. So we built a to-do list, weather forecast app, and some similar websites. And then currently we are learning Backend, so we are able to actually store the data, and I'm really excited to build many projects related to a full-fledged application based on that. So one of my favorite games is the Sudoku solver that we made. So the game, it was fetching the problems from an API, but what I was doing is using backtracking to solve it. And when I showed it to my friends, it was really exciting. I was able to back a scholarship hike at Mirai School of Technology, and then I was able to secure a position in top 15,000 at Google BigCode, and I have also participated in the hackathon that we had in campus. I have solved over 100 questions on LeetCode, and I am currently practicing on Codeforces and CodeChef through their contest. The learning experience has been great at Mirai. We have been taught subjects that are actually relevant to the industry, and this way we are actually able to map ourselves where we stand in the actual industry. Of course, after coming at Mirai, I became a better coder, and I'm actually able to build websites on my own. And this is just a technical advancement. I also had mental improvement. For example, coming at Mirai reinforced the fact that we should never give up. Whether it's a difficult question, difficult problem, persistence matters, and that's what gets us through. My goal is simple. It is to learn and explore things and then get the right experience so that I'm able to build something that brings real change. And Mirai is actually helping me in that path. Here we are taught relevant subjects, and it is consistently ingrained in us that we have to work hard and achieve our goal. One of the best memories that I have is when all of us work together as a club to pull off events here at Mirai campus. And another unforgettable moment is the 24-hour hackathon that we had in the campus. The energy was unmatchable. People were brainstorming, debugging, helping each other and celebrating small wins, and all of them were working towards a common goal. And the end of 24 hours, when we were able to actually show everyone what we built in those 24 hours, it was actually impressive and really felt like a win. So one such event was the War of Clubs. There were multiple events. Every club put their best effort to actually make that War of Clubs happen. And in that we had various events. The cultural club did something, the sports club, the coding club, and our next self. So I'd just like to say that once you have made the decision, work hard to make sure that it becomes the right one. And when you come here, be curious, be ready to accept some failures, but never give up. And at the end, I'd like to say that we are really excited to have you all in our campus, and all the very best.